Welcome to the video channel of DigiSales. In this video clip, we are going to look at how to delete a stock information. How to delete a stock information. To delete a stock information, kindly go to stocking. Click on the tab. Come to stockings, the pull down menu. Then come to delete. Click on delete. Here you have two options, either to delete a stock information or a service information. We are deleting a stock information, so you click on stock. Type the name here of the stock you want to delete, or type the code of the stock you want to delete. Click on it. Let's say I'm deleting DG. So I click on it. Then it asks you, do you wish to delete, yes or no? So you click yes. Then it is deleted. So when you come to DG, you realize that the stock is no more. The stock is successfully deleted. Thank you very much for watching this video.